Welcome back to Dream Autos, where today we're diving deep into the beast that's roaring back onto the streets, the 2026 Dodge Viper, a true American icon. The Viper has always been about raw power, aggressive styling, and a driving experience that's not for the faint of heart. The 2026 version takes everything we loved about the legacy Viper and injects it with modern design cues, advanced tech, and mind-blowing performance. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Viper is a bold statement on wheels. The long, low-slung hood returns, giving the car that unmistakable silhouette that Viper fans have come to adore. The aggressive front fascia has been redesigned with sleeker LED headlights that sweep back sharply into the fenders, adding a sense of speed even when the car is standing still. Air intakes have been reworked for better aerodynamics and cooling, while the front splitter and massive rear diffuser emphasize its track-ready intent. The sculpted side panels flow into widened rear haunches that house large 20-inch forged wheels, giving the Viper a muscular, almost predatory stance. Around back, the updated taillights bring a modern flair to the car's retro roots, while the signature dual exhaust tips remain center-mounted, delivering a thunderous note from the massive engine underneath the hood. A new active rear wing adjusts based on speed and driving mode, helping with downforce and stability at high speeds. From every angle, the 2026 Dodge Viper is loud, aggressive, and unapologetically American. Moving inside, the Viper stays true to its performance-first heritage, but with welcomed refinements. The cabin is still driver-focused with a low seating position and a wide center tunnel, but now features premium Alcantara and carbon fiber trims. The digital instrument cluster is sharp and customizable, and the infotainment screen, while modest, provides essential connectivity, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and performance telemetry. Bucket seats are supportive and track-ready, and the flat-bottomed steering wheel gives that true sports car feel. Now let's talk price. The 2026 Dodge Viper starts at an estimated $105,000, placing it firmly in the supercar category. But when you consider what you're getting, hand-built power, an iconic design, and track dominance, it makes a strong case as one of the most exhilarating performance cars in its class. Under the hood, Dodge didn't hold back. The 2026 Viper packs a naturally aspirated 8.4-liter V10 engine, pushing out a jaw-dropping 710 horsepower and 645 pounds-ft of torque. This car is built for speed, accelerating from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds. With a top speed north of 210 miles per hour, paired with a refined 6-speed manual transmission, the Viper stays true to its purest roots while delivering modern handling thanks to an updated suspension system and electronic stability enhancements. Whether on the track or open highway, the Viper delivers adrenaline like few others can. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Dodge Viper. For more thrilling reviews, stay tuned to Dream Autos, where the future of performance lives.